iCloud sync stuck? It's frustrating when photos, documents, or memos aren't updating across devices. This could be due to network issues, storage, or settings. In this video, we'll explore the causes and solutions to get your iCloud sync back on track. Part 1. Why is my iCloud sync stuck? Weak internet connection, iCloud server overload, outdated software, full iCloud storage, mismatched device settings, network restrictions, firewalls, proxies, interference from third-party apps, or security software. Part 2. How to fix iCloud sync stuck issue with 8 solutions. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Open your device's settings and make sure Wi-Fi is on and connected to the network. Test the connection by loading a web page or streaming a video. Solution 2. Restart iCloud sync. Solution 3. Check your iCloud storage. Solution 4. Update your devices. Solution 5. Restart your device. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Solution 7. Sign out and sign in iCloud account. Solution 8. Check Apple's system status. Bonus. Sync iPhone data to computer without iCloud. If the previous solutions didn't fix your iCloud syncing issues, don't worry, there's no need to keep struggling with iCloud. Instead, try Mobikin Assistant for iOS, a great iCloud alternative to sync files from your iPhone or iPad to your computer. How to sync iPhone data to a computer selectively via Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Install the program. Connect your iOS device via USB and follow on-screen prompts. Step 2. Select data categories from the left panel and preview items. Step 3. Choose Files, click Export, select an output format, and save. How to sync iPhone data to a computer completely via Assistant for iOS. Head to the program's Super Toolkit when it recognizes your device. Go for iTunes Backup and Restore Backup. Choose a backup location on this computer and OK to initiate the backup.